everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm filming an unboxing of the April VillaBeautifful kit. The theme is rainy days, and it's full of stunning watercolors and a fun new surprise. So let's get started. So let's start off with this month's papers. You get 4 decorative sheets, double-sided. They're 8.5 by 11 inches, so basic letter size. I am loving all of these gorgeous watercolors. So you've got the blue watercolor with the florals, and this one is more of a pink, yellow, orange watercolor, and the back of that is florals with a deep watercolor background. And then next up, we have this really pretty pale yellow watercolor background with the umbrella print, and then some really gorgeous watercolor brush strokes. And the last one is, oh my gosh, these greens and blues look so great together. And then the back of that is this really pretty raindrop print. In addition to those 4 sheets, you also get 2 specialty sheets. So this month that is 2 vellums, one featuring this yellow background with a floral pattern, and the other is a darker vellum with a pattern that looks like raindrops falling. This is just such a great collection of papers and patterns. I love, love, love all of the different shades of watercolors that she used for this kit. So let's move on to the journaling cards. This is a smaller one that says rain is just confetti from the sky. It is one-sided but can be added to any kind of papers to make a dashboard, or you can stuff it in your planner pockets. You also get a larger size dashboard or journaling card that says I find peace in the rain, and I love how much that background looks just like a storm cloud. And of course you get the pretty cloud print on the top, and that is one-sided as well. You also get 3 full-size sheets of coordinating stickers for your planner. So this first sheet has the half boxes, quarter boxes, a clipboard, and sidebar trackers. And then you get your banner flags with the pretty patterns. My all-time favorite icons have made a comeback to the shop. And then you also get your little checklist and circle icons. And this last sheet, of course, is the vertical full boxes, which features some beautiful illustrations. I especially love this middle scene here of the window and book stack. These are all just so pretty. The kit also comes with 4 mini sheets of stickers, so let's do a flip through of those. First up, we have the half boxes. You get 8 of those on that sheet. The next sheet is going to be some different headers and labels, followed by 2 different variations for your date covers. And then finally, a beautiful sheet of deco. Again, I love this window scene, the lash coffee cup, and little planner. So many cute, fun options. And now I'm going to open up this pretty pouch and get a closer look at what's inside. So the first thing I pulled out is this beautiful blue pen, and of course this is the signature VillaBeautifful pen, which is available in her shop individually with lots of fun colors and even more great color options coming soon. They are gel pens, and refills will be coming to the shop soon too. Keep an eye out for that. And I just cannot get over how gorgeous these crystals are and the shine that they give off. I love these pens. And how adorable is this crochet cloud clip for Blaine and Allie Boutique? This is so cute, and look how thick it is. You can tell that this is a very well-made crocheted clip. I cannot wait to stick this in my planner. Next up, we have this month's exclusive VillaBeautifful washi tapes, both featuring some really pretty silver foiled accents. So we've got a diagonal stripe on the top and rain clouds on the bottom. One of my favorite items in all of her kits is the exclusive sticky notes. They're always so soft and have such a nice quality. The illustrations are great, and you get quality and quantity with these. I mean, look at the size of this stack. Plus, you still have a ton of room to write all of your lists and notes over here while still getting the pretty side of it as well. This month's kit also introduces an amazing new product, corner adhesive pockets. I'm obsessed with these. So this first one says, hello, I'm a planner addict. I mean, hello, obviously. The next one is very important things with a couple of little flowers. And the last one says, do not touch my planner stickers. I love this one. So basically you just take this backing paper, you peel it back, and as you can see, the pocket itself is clear. And then you find yourself a journaling card or dashboard or some cardstock or specialty papers, and you slap the pocket right on top of it. It is very sticky. And then you have yourself a little pocket or page marker that holds all of your stickers or journaling cards or die cuts, whatever you want to stick in there. I love these. These are such a great feature, and I hope we see more of them in the future. Don't forget that subscribers also get an email every month with coordinating illustrations to download and print. Just another reason why I love the VillaBeautifful kit so much. And that does it for this unboxing. If you want more info on the kits, please feel free to leave your questions down in the comments or check out shopvillabeautifful.com. That link will be in the video description below along with my discount and PR team codes. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!